A long time ago, deep in a lush, magical forest, lived a fox, a monkey, and a rabbit. One day, the three animal friends met an old man sitting on a rock, looking tired and very hungry. The old man asked the animals if they had any food they could share with him. The animal friends were happy to help. The intrepid fox was a good hunter and loved fishing, so he jumped into a nearby stream and caught a big fresh fish for the old man. The cunning monkey loved collecting fruit and was very good at it. He bolted up a nearby fig tree and brought down a bounty of fresh fruit for the old man. The thoughtful rabbit was great at leaping, jumping, and running. He ate mostly grass and clovers. The rabbit hemmed and hawed about what to bring the old man. Surely the old man wouldn't want to eat sprigs of grass and a few clovers. So as the fox and monkey gave their delicious gifts to the old man, the rabbit proudly announced that he would offer up himself and dedicate his entire life helping the old man find food so he would never go hungry again. The old man was so touched by the rabbit's sacrifice and dedication that using his magical powers, he made the rabbit the guardian of the moon, a noble and powerful position high up in the night sky. So each Chuseok, when you gaze upon the full harvest moon, you can always see the shadows of the thoughtful, dedicated rabbit pounding rice cakes for the old man and all his friends. 푸른 하늘 eunhasu hayan jjogbaeen gyesu namu 한 나무 tokki 한 마리 dochdaedo 아니 달고 sasdaedo 없이 가기도 jaldo ganda seojjog nalalo.
Subscribe to our YouTube page today!